A Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC, is a computer that's designed to control and automate processes, typically in an industrial setting, but is used whenever you're looking to reduce human interaction and increase precision and efficiency. With PLCs, all your real-world inputs and outputs can be directly wired into the PLC, eliminating a lot of unnecessary control devices, which will save you money and greatly reduce your circuit complexity. And when it comes time to modify the control circuit, changes are made in the PLC project without the need to rewire your control cabinet and can be done as fast as just making a few changes in your PLC project. For example, let's say we have these 3 motors and you want one push button to turn them all on. This can be done by using interlocks on the contactor. But if you need to make any changes, like staggering the motor start times, or even having defined run times on the motors, this can quickly get out of hand and require a lot of extra hardware. With using a PLC, you just wire everything into the PLC, and you could add contacts and timers in your ladder code, update the PLC, and as quick as that, your new process is up and running. Modern PLCs typically store the entire project in memory using common, industry-standard programming language, so you never need to worry about losing the knowledge and work that went into creating the circuit. Anyone familiar with PLCs can figure it out and debug it. What makes PLCs different from other controllers is that it's designed for the rigors of the industrial world. PLCs offer superior longevity and are typically supported for 20 to 30 years, meaning you'll always be able to get spare parts and programming software that work with your system even decades later. Try that with a traditional PC. PLCs are easily expandable by adding more modules, so you can expand your system without having to replace it whenever more I/O capacity is needed. PLCs are available in many brands that have their own feature sets. At Automation Direct, we strive to provide you with the lowest cost of ownership, providing user-friendly PLCs at prices that fit any application. Check out this selection tool for help specifying your first PLC. Enter in the number of inputs and outputs, select the features you need, and this tool will show you our different hardware options. Our PLC software is free. Feel free to try it out today and see which PLC is right for you. See these videos to find more information on our PLCs.